Hi students, problem number 3. If a 300-meter long train is traveling at a constant speed, then find the ratio of the time it takes to cross a pole and a 500-meter long bridge. So very good and interesting numerical problem. The speed of the train is also not given. The individual time taken by the train to cross the pole as well as the bridge also are not given. In such a situation, let us take x be the speed of the train. So let x represent the constant speed of the train. And a pole is a fixed object, is it not? The pole is a stationary and it is also a point object. Its length is negligible. Therefore, I consider pole as a point object. And let the time taken for crossing the pole. So for the pole, the time taken to cross is taken as t1. So the entire train crosses the pole means the distance is equal to the length of the train. So this time taken to cross the pole must be equal to the length of the train divided by the speed. So t1 is equal to L is equal to what? 300 meter. So 300 divided by x. This is the first equation. Next, it is crossing a bridge whose length is 500 meter. So already the train is having a certain length and then the bridge also is having a certain length. So the total distance covered is equal to the length of the train plus length of the bridge. So in the second case, for the bridge whose length is equal to 500 meter. Now let us take the time taken to cross the bridge is t2. So this is equal to the length of the train is 300 meter plus the length of the bridge is 500 meter. But now also the speed of the train is the same. So the denominator should be x. Therefore T2 must be equal to what? 300 plus 500 is 800. 800 divided by x. So this is equation 2. So now what is the ratio only is asked? The ratio of the periods. So T1 is to T2 we have to find out. Okay. So we will find out the ratio of T1 and T2. So this is equal to 300 by x. 300 by x divided by 800 by x. So x get cancelled and the ratio is what? 300 by 800 or 3 by 8. So now the ratio of the time taken by the train to cross the pole and the bridge, that is T1 by T2 is equal to 3 by 8. That is 3 is to 8 is the ratio. So which is the right option? Is option C. Therefore option C is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.